Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide online status and last seen on email. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your email application, which of course I've done right here. And now the next thing is, how can you download the email app? You can get it on Google Play Store, Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So just launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type email and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on email. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to hide online status and last seen on email. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. It takes you to this window where you have switch accounts, security and privacy, settings, email voice, game center, my files, iBubble, share email, help, and feedback. Now I'd like you to click on security and privacy. Now over here you have a couple more features which include chat and call privacy, invisible friends, family guard, passcode lock, login protection, manage devices, block list, call, online status, and last seen, impure status, read receipts, profile privacy, group meta for admin, add from content, and story. Now go ahead and click on online status and last seen. Now you can check this to everyone, right? If it's everyone, it means everyone can see. If it is just your contact, it means only your contacts will be able to see that. If it is custom, you can customize it to choose whoever you want to see your, of course, your last seen and your online status. But if you just want to hide it completely, go ahead and click on nobody. And once you click on nobody, you have this banner that says success. All right, so let's go back to that nobody and say success. It has been changed successfully to nobody. All right, so that means nobody will be able to see your online status and last seen. This is how you can hide it. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.